Sad? Why are you sad?
I'm hungry.
What do you want?
Ito masarap kainin.
What do you want? I feel like I'm being grilled here. But perhaps you want something grilled.
Something grilled? Isa. Okay, let's go. Let's find something grilled.
3 days later.
This is it, guys. We are now here in Timbang Kawong. Let's go! Welcome. Welcome, Ibu, to Timbang Kawong. What's up, guys? Our lunch for today is a Sop Buntut 1 meter. Okay, so this is 1 meter. Sa panjang ini. Yes? Oh my! I want to try it next time. Ooh, that's so big. Oh, but ours is 1 meter. Oh yeah, it's not the oxtail that measures 1 meter. It refers to the serving tray that measures 1 meter. Because aside from the main dishes that we are going to try today, it comes along with different side dishes. Look at that! First impressions matter. Wow! The aroma that wafts from this bowl is nothing short and enchanting. The fragrance of the aromatic spices, simmered, oxtail, and the symphony of herbs create an anticipation that tingles the senses. Well, Sop Buntut is a beloved Indonesian dish that has captured the hearts and palates of many, originating from the Betawi people of Jakarta. This hearty soup has become a staple in Indonesian households and a culinary gem that has gained popularity worldwide. Makan, bro. Rasa buntut enak. And Sop Buntut certainly delivers in a visual department. Steaming bowl of rich broth adorned with a succulent pieces of oxtail, vibrant vegetables, and fragrant herbs. It smells so good and it looks so beautiful. The broth, the heart and soul of Sop Buntut. And oh, what a broth! It is so rich, savory, and deeply flavorful.
Oh my God!
So it's incredibly tender. This is the result of hours of slow cooking the oxtail with a blend of Indonesian spices. It's like a comforting hug in a bowl. Well, aside from its being delicious, imagine that, you know, the savory broth of this oxtail soup is hugging you. Oy! Tender, succulent, and falling off the bone. It's a testament to the patience, and so it's incredibly tender. Sop Buntut is often served with condiments like sambal or chili paste, which is very popular here in Indonesia. So aside from that, they also serve ketchup manis or the sweet soy sauce and the squeeze of lime. So we have here the sweet soy sauce or the ketchup manis, and of course the lime. So these traditions elevate the dish, adding layers of ice, sweetness, and acidity that play harmoniously with the richness of the broth. So in conclusion, Sop Buntut is a culinary masterpiece that showcases the diversity and complexity of Indonesian cuisine. From its inviting appearance to its aromatic allure, a sublime taste, this dish is completely a celebration of flavors that will leave you craving for more. And now let's try the Buntut Bakar, or grilled oxtail. The aroma of the smoky perfection and the promise of a succulent meat make this dish a favorite among locals, and it smells so good. It's a culinary gem that combines the love for barbecue with rich spices of Indonesian cuisine. Also a must try for any enthusiasts. The oxtail are expertly grilled to achieve a perfect char, and the glossy glaze hints at the mouth-watering flavors that lie beneath. If only you could smell this through the screen, huh? The intoxicating aroma of smoky char grilled goodness is irresistible. It's a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into preparing this Buntut Bakar. The smokiness permeates the meat, creating symphony flavors that dance on the palate. It's a celebration of grilling mastery. The glaze on this buntut is a work of art. Sweet, savory, with a hint of umami. It perfectly complements the natural flavors of the meat. The seasoning, a blend of Indonesian spices, adds a depth of flavor that keeps you coming back for more. It's a balance that executed to perfection. Buntut Bakar is often served with sides like rice, sambal, chili paste, and fresh vegetables. So these condiments enhance the overall experience, providing a contrast to the richness of the buntut or oxtail, and adding an extra layer of satisfaction to every bite. Overall, guys, this Buntut Bakar is a culinary adventure that combines the joy of grilling with bold flavors of Indonesian spices. So from its enticing appearance to its aromatic allure and the explosion of flavors each bite, this dish is a testament to the artistry of Indonesian cuisine. So, I hope you enjoy it as I enjoyed it a lot. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep sharing the love for good food. Until then, happy eating. Oxtail soup, ox na ox.